With the die-cast enclosure, one of the features that it allows us to do is wrap the heatsink and the enclosure around the internal components that are on the main power board. So you can see in this enclosure that there's bumps and ridges, and that's basically the mirror image of the components coming up. And what's happening is the enclosure is sandwiching the big tall power electronic components between the heatsink and the board. And what that does is instead of those components in traditional design, they just be supported on one side, on the board side, and sometimes they'll have goop and stuff holding the components on the top for vibration. But what we've done is we've taken it one step further. Instead of just goop on the top, we actually have a mechanical structural piece, the enclosure itself, to hold the components on top, and the board holds them on bottom. So now when we're riding on a vehicle over rough terrain off-road and the charger is bouncing around, then those components aren't bouncing around. They're well supported inside the charger case, and we can survive in those harsh environments.